For us, it doesn't matter what's happening in Iran, we will still be able to get waste from the distillery, which uses grain from the farm, that we then turn that back into Black Soldier Fly Larvae. So it's a really beautiful closed system. My name's Doug Wanstall. I'm a farmer, and I'm one of 3 partners on the farm, and I farm with my father and my uncle. Bang Farm is about 280 hectares altogether. We've got a combination of arable, poultry, both eggs and meat production, and then we borrow sheep and cattle to improve our soil health. It's all about regenerative, restorative practices that restore nature, restore soil carbon, and hopefully lead to better, healthier food. Reducing soya use is #1 impact for us, which doesn't have a regenerative advantage to the farm directly, but it certainly does to society. You know, we could just buy soya and just use soya in our chickens, but we don't want to do that. Really, the big headache is really trying to create a system that's simple, easy, cost-effective. That's really what we're trying to achieve here. I think there's been a lot of overcomplication in the Black Soldier Fly Larvae industry so far, and we're trying to make it simple so it works with the system and the routine on the farms. We're working with Richard at InsPro because he's been very helpful in working with us, because we can be quite difficult to work with at times. It's really about working in partnership, so trying to work out what is the best system. Richard's trying to solve a big problem that nobody else has, which is how does this work practically on farms? He's not taking an AI approach or a high-tech approach or a highly mechanized approach. It's all about how do we make it work on farm? How does it work for farmers? And so we've gone for the container-based system. The neonates, the baby bugs go in at one end, and out the other comes mature bugs on a daily basis that we then truck down to the chickens and throw them out, and they love them. A chicken in the wild would be, foraging around on the forest floor and, picking up all those grubs and those insects and things, and this enables them to satisfy that need for their omnivores. So that satisfy that need for something a bit meaty. The use of the frass, so the frass is the material that's left behind once we've harvested the bugs, and frass is particularly important to us and particularly exciting because it's full of chitin. And chitin is one of the main building blocks for building fungal networks. And fungal networks for us are the secret to restoring soil health and to drawing down atmospheric carbon. So the big challenge is to make it commercially viable. Now for us, because we're selling all of our produce direct to consumers, we're able to actually dictate the price that we sell. And getting a premium for the product is quite important, but really what I'm interested in doing is trying to get this to a system that's then cost parity with using soya, so that we can convince more farmers to do it. They might have to put a bit more labour in, but they will reduce their costs and have a much more resilient supply chain. There's a disconnect between scientists and farmers, and I spent my entire time farmerising the data that comes out of the scientists. Whereas here we're able to lead it ourselves. Farmers are ultimately actually really quite entrepreneurial. We're quite good at ideas, and we need the freedom to be able to express those ideas and bring them to life, and Adopt has very much helped with that. Out of the end of this Adopt grant, we will have a working system that will be replicable on other farms. We're not in competition here. We want Richard's business to excel, we want farmers to excel, and we think this is a really good way of doing it. If you're going to Groundswell this year, I'll be there exhibiting with Beyond Zero, and Richard will be there with InsPro. So we're probably going to do a little event between ourselves, a bit of a fireside chat. So if you've got any more questions, you can come along and talk to us about bugs, Black Soldier Fly Larvae and Adopt at Groundswell.